Bro, you ever check your bank account like 2 days after payday, and it's already ghosted on you? Like, where the heck did my money even go? 1 second you're rich, next second, broke vibes. We grew up on that script. Go to school, get a job, swipe some credit, and boom, you'll be good. But real talk, you're drowning in debt, and nobody gave you floaties. Credit card companies, man, they love it when you just pay the minimum. Why? 'Cause they're eating good off your stress. They want you stuck in their game forever. Here's the twist. Your student loans, car payment, and that swipe-happy credit card, those aren't even the real enemy. The real problem, it's the broken game we've been playing. It feels like you're sprinting hard on a treadmill, sweat everywhere, but guess what? You're stuck in the same exact spot while everyone else is flexing vacations on Instagram. Keep ignoring it, and fast forward 10 years, you'll be older, more stressed, and still broke. Debt doesn't fade away, it multiplies. Here's the wild truth. Most Americans carry $90,000 in debt and still think that's normal. Spoiler, it's not. Yo, I'm Sam. Welcome to Sam the Finance channel. Smart money moves start here. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss hacks that'll save you years of financial pain. Quick heads up. This is for education only, not financial advice. In this video, I'm gonna break down the Debt Snowball Method in plain English, show you why it works, and give you some hacks to finally crush debt. Stick with me until the end so you never look at debt the same way again. Alright, first off, what the heck is the debt snowball? Think of it like a game hack for your money. You start small, stack wins, and boom, you're building momentum. Here's the big idea. Instead of stressing about the biggest debt, you knock out the smallest first. That way, you're stacking confidence, not just payments. Let me break it down with numbers. Say you've got $500 to $1,000 and $6,000. You wipe out that $500 first, then you stack that freed up cash on the $2,000. It's like power leveling. Picture this, you're deleting debts one by one. It's literally like unlocking levels in a video game, and every win feels like leveling up. Most people try to slay the biggest debt first, and yeah, it sounds smart, but it's why they quit halfway. Humans need quick wins to stay hyped. Like Tony Robbins says, progress equals happiness. That's the whole cheat code here. The snowball keeps you moving, and moving feels good. Yo, real talk, winning with money isn't about being a math genius. It's about playing a game your brain actually wants to keep playing. Like, bro, smashing a $300 debt in 1 month feels way more hype than dragging that $10,000 student loan for years. It's like crossing stuff off your to-do list, man. Each check mark feels like a power-up in a video game. Society keeps yelling, be logical, attack the highest interest rate. But dude, your brain doesn't care about logic, it craves wins. Think about it, your brain lights up when you see progress. That quick win gives you the fuel to keep going for the bigger battles. Like James Clear said, success isn't a one-time giant move, it's stacking small habits every day until they snowball into something huge. Alright, here's where the magic happens. This is how you actually snowball in real life. It's way simpler than you think once you set it up. First thing, list every single debt you've got from the smallest to the biggest. It's like lining up all your opponents before you fight them one by one. Next, you pay minimums on all of them except the smallest one, that little guy. You throw every extra dollar at it like a power punch. Here's the cheat code move: when the first debt is gone, that payment stacks onto the next one. Suddenly, your attack gets way stronger. But yo, here's the trap: if you don't have a budget, your snowball melts. You can't fight debt if your spending's out of control. Like Ben Franklin said, beware of little expenses. A small leak sinks a great ship. Stay sharp, plug the leaks, and keep your snowball rolling. Yo, picture this. Being debt-free isn't just about stacking cash, it's about having real choices. Like, you're not stuck working just to pay bills. You're actually choosing how you live. Most dudes in the US drop like $1,000 every month just to cover debt. Imagine if all that cash was fueling your dreams instead of feeding the banks. Now flip it. What if that money was building investments, flying you around the world, or even starting your own business? That's next level freedom. Instead of paying banks, you're buying memories, stacking freedom, and creating a future you actually vibe with. But here's the real talk: if you stay in debt, you're basically working for the banks. That paycheck, it ain't yours, it's theirs. Like Dave Ramsey says, live like no one else now, so later you can live like no one else. Short-term grind for long-term freedom, bro. Alright guys, here's the cheat code. Speeding up your debt snowball isn't just about cutting lattes. It's about finding hidden money you didn't even know you had. Think about it. Sell old stuff you don't even use anymore. That's like instant cash you can throw straight at your debt. Side hustle? That's your power-up. Even a couple hours a week can stack up an extra $500. And yo, cancel those random subscriptions you don't even remember signing up for. That's $50 back in your pocket every month. All that adds up 300, 500, 50, that's $850 a month. That's a whole army of dollars ready to fight for you. Most people say, I don't make enough to pay debt. But truth is, they just don't track where their money goes. Like Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving. Alright, let's keep it real. Your snowball works only if you don't melt it with bad habits. It's like having a rocket, but forgetting to fuel it. Think about it dropping to $100 on sneakers, $100 on eating out, and $50 on random Amazon junk. That's $350 you just set on fire every month. Cutting that junk out feels like taking bricks off your back during a marathon. You start running lighter, faster, and stronger. Here's the trap. Most people celebrate paying off a debt by spending again. That's like winning one round then punching yourself in the face. Stay focused, because every dollar should be a soldier fighting for your freedom, not a party guest that leaves you broke. Or like Will Rogers said, too many people spend money they don't have on stuff they don't want to impress people they don't even like. Don't be that guy. Yo, welcome back. This is step 7, stay in the game. Look, beating debt isn't about being hyped all the time, it's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Motivation fades, but discipline, that's what keeps you moving forward. Let's lock in, bro. Here's the real hack. Discipline beats motivation, and systems beat feelings. If you rely only on vibes, you'll crash when the hype wears off. But when you've got a system like automatic payments, you win even on your lazy days. That's how real momentum is built. Think about this, just automating $50 a month adds up to $600 a year. That's like turning small pocket change into real money stacks. It's literally your lazy hack to beat late fees and grow faster. Bro, that's free money on autopilot. Picture this, you're rolling that debt snowball and it finally smashes the last loan. Boom, no more payments, no more stress. Just pure freedom and peace of mind. That's the vibe we're chasing. Here's the trap most people fall into. They quit because progress feels slow. But bro, slow is still moving forward. Zero progress is the real enemy. As long as you don't stop, you're winning. Like Confucius said, it doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. That's literally the cheat code to money freedom. Keep walking, keep stacking, and one day you'll look back shocked at how far you've come. Stay in the game, bro. We talked about why Debt Snowball works, the psychology behind small wins, how to actually do it, hacks to speed it up, and pitfalls to dodge. Bottom line, you don't need to be rich to start, just consistent. If this hit home, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your crew. Drop your biggest debt in the comments. Let's build a community where we celebrate every win together. This is Sam from Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Stay smart, stay focused, and remember, your future self is counting on you.